There are watches and then there are milestones. And for many collectors, few names carry the same weight as Rolex. Today, we look closely at one of the most recognizable modern chronographs in the world, the Cosmograph Daytona. A brand built on precision, endurance, and identity forged through decades of consistency. Every detail, every texture, every surface is designed to feel unmistakably Rolex. Inside, as always, the familiar hallmarks, the Rolex seal, a symbol of certified performance and accuracy. The Cosmograph Daytona booklet reminds us that this watch wasn't designed for status, but for purpose. A chronograph born on racetracks, refined in laboratories, and perfect through decades of incremental evolution. Rolex documentation, the promise of reliability that accompanies every one of their timepieces. The white tag, marking reference and authentication, tucked neatly inside. Even the bezel protector, a reminder of how seriously Rolex treats preservation, even before the watch reaches a wrist. And here it is, the Rolex Daytona reference 1265-18LN, a fusion of sport, luxury and precision. Executed in 18-karat yellow gold and contrasted by clean, crisp white dial. This piece from 2023 is in as new condition, complete with its full set. The black Cerachrom bezel, resistant to scratches, corrosion and fading, framing the dial with a subtle yet unmistakable presence. The three subdials, perfectly balanced, offering exceptional legibility and iconic Daytona symmetry. Every inner detail, every engraving verifies this piece, crafted entirely from solid 18-karat yellow gold. The screw-down pusher is designed not just for style, but for reliability at 100 meters of water resistance. Smooth transition, flawless finishing, the essence of Rolex case engineering. The Oysterflex bracelet, not a simple rubber strap, but an engineered system combining metal blades with elastomer for longevity, comfort and stability, complete with Rolex patented adjustment system for a perfect fit. In hand, the Daytona becomes something else entirely. The weight of gold, the sharp transitions, the harmony between dial, bezel and case, it all comes together in a way only Rolex sports model can. This exact piece is available now at midnightwatches.com, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and let us know what watch you'd like to see next. On the wrist, proportions are nearly perfect. Sporty, elegant, confident, yet never loud. This is a watch built to be worn, not hidden. Even the clasp is engineered with a resurfacing precision, locking the watch with a familiar snap every owner knows well. Placed back on the cushion, the details stand out even more. The curvature of the lugs, the depth of the dial, the way gold interacts with the light, Rolex design at its most refined. Setting the watch, a moment that highlights the symmetry of the Daytona's face. And as the box closes, it serves as a reminder. Some watches are tools, some are symbols, and a few, like Daytona, are history you can wear.